In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do 3D animation with Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. By the end, you'll know how to take a simple shape or image, give it a convincing 3D perspective, animate it for movement, and fine-tune the timing so everything feels smooth and intentional. Start by adding something to animate. Open your presentation and go to the Insert tab. If you want a clean, simple subject, choose Shapes and pick one that fits your idea, like a rectangle, circle, or arrow. If you prefer a photo or graphic, choose Picture and insert it from your computer. Once it's on the slide, click the object to make sure it's selected. A quick tip: larger, high-contrast objects tend to read better when moving, and a clean background helps keep the focus on your animation. Now give it a 3D look. With the object selected, go to the Format tab and find 3D Rotation. You'll see controls for X, Y, and Z rotation. Think of X as tilting forward and backward, Y as turning left and right, and Z as spinning like a clock face. Start with subtle values. Small changes often look more realistic than dramatic ones. If you're not sure where to begin, try rotating slightly on X and Y to create a gentle perspective, then adjust Z just enough to align the object the way you want. Take your time here. The goal is a believable angle that enhances your animation rather than distracting from it. Next, bring it to life. Go to the Animations tab and open Custom Animation. Add motion paths if you want the object to travel across the slide, spin if you want it to rotate, or grow/shrink for a zoom effect. Choose effects that complement the 3D angle you set earlier. For example, a subtle spin can emphasize depth, while a short motion path can make it feel like the object is moving through space. You can stack more than one effect on the same object. Just make sure each one supports your overall idea. Finally, polish the timing. Open the animation pane to manage the order and flow. Set the Start option to On Click with Previous or After Previous, depending on how you want it to trigger. Adjust duration to control how fast the movement happens, and delay to stagger the action for a more natural rhythm. Longer durations tend to feel smoother, while very short ones can look abrupt. Preview, tweak, and aim for consistency so the animation feels intentional from start to finish. That's it. Insert, rotate, animate, and refine the timing for a clean 3D animation in PowerPoint 2010.